Alright, so this is a quick video to show how long it takes for Android Auto Wireless to connect. So we'll start the car up. Alright, so the wireless, let me shut the door. The Android Wireless, or the AAWireless device is, I believe green means powering up. I don't know why it's not focusing. Of course it doesn't want to focus. And then I believe green flashing, which it was just doing, is the phone connecting to it. So if I go to the phone, not sure if that's legible, the Bluetooth is connected, and it's going to try and connect the Wi-Fi to the device also. Let's see, that should take another moment. Alright, so that's connected, but the car is off, and so it's actually not fully connected. I think that will eventually start flashing blue or something. But when I turn the car on, this is where we'll see how long it takes to really start up. So we're just waiting. Okay, so Android Auto is all ready and working. So it's open in there. Music is playing. Apparently I'm listening to Oasis. Could move stuff around just fine. And everything seems to be working. Alright, so this is a follow-up video to see how long it takes for Android Auto to connect when you're in the car. So the device is powered off. No lights are on. Nothing is going on funky up here. So I'm just gonna push the button. Alright, so my understanding is when this starts flashing green, it's trying to connect to the phone, and when it's flashing, which doesn't want to focus, when it starts flashing blue is when it's trying to connect to the head unit. I think the easiest way to really tell on here is it'll connect to Bluetooth first, and then it will change the Wi-Fi to the AAWireless. AAWireless. And so now when that Android Auto turns, so Android Auto is ready. So I'm not sure how long that took, but not very long.